Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if Redmi 13 comes with a charger. Okay, so here's the phone, and underneath I have the Redmi 13 box, and let's see what do we get inside. So if I take the box lid off, here was the phone, and underneath there's this lid, and inside we probably will get the charging cable. Yes, the cable is there. It's USB-A to USB-C, and we don't get the charging brick, unfortunately, but at least we get the charging cable. So if you want, you can just use it with a charging brick that you either already have or purchase a new one for yourself and use it that way. So or just use a different cable if you have already. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.